Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove bottom base. Then unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and disconnect antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove SSD. Then separate clips and remove memory. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Next, loosen captive screws and remove heatsink. Then unscrew and disconnect daughter board. Then unscrew and disconnect LED circuit board. Next, unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then unscrew and disconnect touchpad. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove DC jack. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.